Hello guys, Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis on 13th December 2023. Today the Bank Nifty expiry was done. Okay, first of all I'll tell you what happened in the US markets. Yesterday actually US CPI inflation came, Indian CPI inflation came. Actually I have mentioned in the yesterday's video as well. The US inflation data was better in line with estimates and the Indian inflation data was better than estimates. But why our market was fallen? I will explain you. Why again recovered? I will explain you. Before I will tell you the how yesterday markets went to. This is Nasdaq. See how they have rallied because the US inflation was so good. It was good, so it has rallied up to 1%. Dow Jones also it has rallied from the down to high, smallly 6.6%. So it is good. Present the markets are going on in US markets. Okay, why the market has fallen? The best one is actually I think you have seen from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days the market from 4 days the market was consolidating. Fifth day it had made good correction after seeing the after this supply zone I have mentioned in the earlier videos as well. After this supply zone was broken, it went up on like this. Again, the next day morning, it is opened below CPR. You can say CPR is the biggest support according to the previous opening and close. Actually, I mentioned in the earlier videos also. CPR is the biggest support or resistance, depends on the price action. So it has rejected CPR. From here, it went up to 164 points in Nifty. After that, it has taken support as the ST pivot and the virgin CPR as well. What is virgin CPR? Virgin CPR means it is the CPR which was not touched before earlier. That is called virgin CPR. Here it has recovered crazily. What was done? 180 points recovery. See how it will happen, guys. See, 170 points down. See, 170 points down and 182 points recovery. It's a V-shaped recovery, right? It's a V-shaped recovery. Okay. The people are asking why it has happened like that. The only reason is the market has rallied from 19,800 to 21,000. From 21,000 it has taken the resistance, so it has fallen from up. See, from that high it has fallen 1.3%, approximately 275 points. So it has done a good correction. Again, it has rallied because of the good data. The market negative things was all totally captured from here to here because of the positive data, and have seen that FIS data. FIs are buyers. DIs are booked for only 938 crores, but FIs are bought for 3000 crores. That's why it's a rallied because of the positive data. Because of the yesterday's correction, it has continued the correction. After that, it has rallied because of the good data. Let's see Bank Nifty now. Surprisingly, Bank Nifty was crazy today. It has not fallen much. See, at the first 5 minutes only, it has fallen 180 points. It has fallen total 320 points. After that, it consolidated. If you check in in Nifty at this place at Nifty, it has fallen, but here Bank Nifty was consolidated. So Bank Nifty was strong at that particular time. After that, I've taken somewhat here because it is showing that positive because of this consolidation. Because of the expiry issues, have been negative, have been lost today. You can see my YouTube shorts I posted today because due to the expiry issues I have lost. But if I have taken option selling, I would have gained profit today. But what is why I have lost? Because I have taken option buying. Because of this option buying, the time decay is not good for the option buyers at the particularly expiry time. So that's why I lost the money. But my view is correct. That is the best thing. My view is correct. If again after getting money I'll become option seller. Again I will take, this is an experience, I'm learning it. If I'm making a wrong thing, I'll learn from that. Again I'll not done the same thing again. But today loss happened, no problem. But don't take option buying on expiry trading. It is risky somewhat compared to option selling. Option selling is the success. Option selling has a huge benefit on expiry day because time decay is ultra fast. Okay, let's talk about the indices. But okay, what happened after consolidated? It has given breakout, but it has consolidated here also. But Nifty has also outperformed here. If you see, Nifty was outperformed here. So what will happen tomorrow? I can take this resistance and keep here. Oh, if tomorrow it crosses this level, it can be positive. Due to this momentum, it can open gap up, it can open flat also, it will give some momentum. After, according to the market volatility, it performs according to the price action. You can see it. And I will keep, okay, this was over. And I will keep this as support. I'm explaining about tomorrow price action, guys. See, this is support. This is beautiful. This is a supply zone and this is demand zone. Beautiful. It has given V recovery, so I'm expecting positive tomorrow. But there is one thing. Today the Fed will talk. The Fed Powell will talk based on the yesterday inflation data. But what I'm thinking is the Fed talks are volatile, same like markets, because the Nasdaq now Dow Jones are near to 52-week high. So he will speak hawkish comments because the markets are 52-week high. He will speak like that. The market will he'll try to manipulate the market. But what we think is the markets are understanding the reality. They're performing according to it. Let's see how US markets will end today. After that, depends on the US markets today. Tomorrow, our momentum will be there. Our price momentum will be there. So tomorrow, so today US markets closing is important for us. Let's see what happens. Today, surprisingly, I want to show you something. Today, highest Nifty PSC sector was totally bullish today. Wow, it rallied like anything, 2.3%. That's great. And the realty sector also, wow, from down it up to 3%. Crazy. Realty and PSC sector was good. Pharma also it's good, somewhat. Auto also somewhat good. Small cap also recovered in good way. Mid cap also recovered in good way. Okay, let's see one day chart, guys. I'm just show you one day chart in Nifty and Bank Nifty. That is more important. I'm forgetting nowadays. Okay, I want to show you one day charts. Oh my god, see this. Okay, that's good. See, it has rallied from 18,800 to here. Wow, that's a beautiful pin bar. I'm expecting, according to the price action and technical, it is good. It can go higher. In Bank Nifty, wow, in Bank Nifty also it's pin bar. It can go higher. It means it is consolidating, guys. If you observe this, total consolidation in Nifty and Bank Nifty. from 5 to 6 days. Still, it can go higher because I want to show you one thing. See the Infosys, guys. Infosys all-time high is at 1950. Now it is at 1449. See, the people are thinking all-time high, all-time high, all-time high. But where is Infosys? Infosys is the part of the top fourth company in Nifty 50 of India. Top fourth company of India. Top fourth company of India is 1449. All are thinking all-time high, the markets will fall. It's not like that. Still, large caps like HDFC Bank, Infosys, TCS, IT industry has never and not gone up, and from 2 years they're suffering. IT index, see IT index, it has so much to do. Their all-time high is here, 39,000. They're at 33,000. Still, I think it has a good momentum now. It can be, the breakout can be happen sooner. See, there is a gap also. The breakout can happen sooner, I feel. Let's see what happens tomorrow according to the markets. I've shown you the Nifty day chart as well. Okay, that's cool. Our inflation data is positive, and our US inflation data is positive. Price action is price action, and the technical price action again rebounding itself and positive. Let's see how tomorrow, according to the Powell speech, tomorrow, hope for, fingers crossed, hope for positive thing. Let's see how markets opens tomorrow. Cheers, guys. Bye. I think I've covered. Hey, that's a beautiful thing. India fix has fallen 5%. I want to mention this as well. That's good thing. Okay, let's guys. According to the technical, also the Nifty and Bank Nifty are still positive because IT sector and banks are underperforming. They also need to be at 52-week high. I feel they need to also give breakout. That's why I'm expecting more momentum. Okay, okay, guys. It's done. Cheers.